When pieces need to be grouped together and placed into a block for fusing, TUKAmark has a variety of options. First, we have the standard block fuse, which is a rectangular block fuse, and the sizes are printed inside. Next, if I select the pieces, I can choose a rectangular smart block fuse. So this will utilize fabric savings by cutting off the corners but keeping a rectangular shape. The next option is called a convex block fuse. By doing this, this will close the lines, making it an easier cut, but saving fabric as well. And then finally, the most efficient option for block fusing is called the contour block fuse. When we choose this option, the system will follow the shape of the pieces and put the buffer around those selected pieces. This is the most efficient use of block fusing.